Every 15 minutes, a child is sexually abused in India. National Crime Records Bureau 2023. That's not just a number, that's a child, a life, a story that could be changed if someone knew how to respond. The truth? Most people freeze. They don't know what to say, what to do. They fear making it worse or doing it wrong. But what if you could become a person who knows exactly how to help? This is where POCSO comes into the picture, the Protection of Children from Sexual Offence Act 2012 is a special law in India designed to protect children under 18 from sexual abuse, harassment, and exploitation. It clearly defines various offences, ensures child-friendly investigations and trial procedures, and mandates strict punishments for offender. The Act also makes it compulsory for anyone aware about child abuse to report it. This is very important for schools, home, institutions to know about what is child safety. Hi, I'm Dr. Aparna Sethi, founder of ProTouch, one of the India's most admired reskilling institution. I have spent 20 years training HR professionals in the area of POSH, creating safe workplaces. And today I invite you to become a part of our POCSO Train the Trainer certification program. This program is your opportunity to understand the POCSO Act deeply, its definition, duties, reporting obligations, penalties. Learn stakeholder responsibility, whether you are in a school, NGO, corporate, or even in a legal role. Design effective child safety policies that your organization can adapt immediately. Also understand the nuances of facilitation because the facilitation techniques will change as per your audience. An audience can be, primary children or, adult sons or parents or school authorities, and your facilitation techniques will change. Learn those facilitation techniques effectively during this program. This is not all. You will also get a complete trainer support material. For example, presentations for various age groups, explainer videos, ready to use documents, case studies, certificates. On completion of this certificate matters a lot because I personally feel this is extremely sensitive topic and this requires qualified people to do it. Believe me, after doing this course, there are people who have conducted training sessions in next week immediately, and that's why I say it is a plug and play model for all the trainers.
Best thing was that the modules and the entire course is very well formulated. It's very thorough. The classes are really interactive.
I wish to tell all the participants who are present here that this is my 4th course I am doing with the ProTouch, including the first one was Train the Trainer, then I did POSH, then I did Emotional Intelligence, which is still going on, and this 4th one is POCSO. So this itself says the quality of the training you provide, because of course when somebody is investing not only money but the time and trust in someone, so I'm telling you, whenever I have entrusted you, whenever I have invested my time and trust in you, you have never disappointed me.
I wanted to do POCSO and ProTouch. I'm sure whatever courses they do, the training they do with the thing in the mind that it will help the community. POCSO, I have had practical experience and knowledge of POCSO. The training module was extremely good, well planned, and very up to the mark. Like nothing more or less. Whatever knowledge needs to be imparted, it was very well defined and given to all of us.
Many people ask me what's the potential of POCSO certification program. This program is just not a learning opportunity, but this is the career opportunities with the purpose. After completing this program, you will be able to conduct awareness sessions for schools, NGOs, corporates, help institutions to build child protection framework. Expand your offering. If you are already a POSH trainer, then you complete the complete cycle, that is, you give POSH as well as POCSO. Establish your voice as a trusted expert in the space that urgently needs more attention as a training professional. The demand is growing, the gap is wide, and we need more and more trainers who can create awareness around this child safety. Now, who can do this program? This program is for HR professionals and POSH trainers, teachers, educators, principals, CSR people, legal advisor. Very important, every parent must know what is about child safety. So let's not wait for any another incidents to happen. Let's take a stand for safety, awareness and prevention. To know more about this particular program, visit us at www.protouchpro.com. Become certified POCSO trainer today and join the mission to create child safety for every child in our country.